Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Today we are looking exercise 5.5. That question number 1 is multiple choice question. So you can tick in your book. Second question, find the difference. First part is 3 minus 7 upon 8. So how you will be do this, like 1, you will be write here also 1. So that 8 is a LCM. LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. So that cross you will be do like this. 3 into 8 minus 7 into 1. So 3 8 ja 24 minus 7 1 ja 7. 3 8 ja 24 minus 7 8. So that 24 subtract 7, what will become? 17 upon 8. This is the answer. Second part, 4 minus 1 whole 3 upon 4. So that first of all you will be convert this mixed fraction in improper fraction. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4 plus 3 7 upon 4. Here also you can write 1. So that 4 is LCM. So the multiply of both 4 into 4 minus the multiply both 7 into 1. 4 4 ja 16 minus 7 1 ja 7 and then 4. So 16 minus 7, this is the 9 upon 4. This is the answer, or you can write in mixed fraction also. 4 2 ja 8 and 1 upon 4. Second part, that is, sorry, third part, 8 minus 6 whole 2 upon 5 is equal to 8 upon 1 minus 5 6 ja 30 and 2 32 upon 5. So 5 is LCM. So that 8 multiply 5 like these two minus 32 multiply 1. 8 5 ja 40 minus 32 1 ja 32 upon 5. So 40 minus 32 8. Or you can write mixed fraction also. That fourth part is 12 minus 8 whole 4 upon 5. So this one also 12 upon 1 you can write minus 8 5 ja 40 plus 4 44 upon 5. And then after LCM is 5. So 12 multiply 5 minus 44 1 ja and then 12 5 ja 60 minus 44 upon 5. So subtract of this, 10 less 4 6 and then 5 less 4 1, 16 upon 5, or you can write in mixed fraction also. And then after seventh question, fifth and sixth you will do at home. Seventh part, that is 11 whole 2 upon 5 minus 3 whole 4 upon 5. So first of all we will convert in improper fraction. 5 11 ja 55 56 57 upon 5 minus 5 ja 15 15 4 19 upon 5. You are looking here, both denominator are same, so you will be write like this as a LCM. And then 57 minus 19 and then subtract the both. 17 less 9, that is 8, and then 4 less 1 3 upon 5, and then in mixed fraction 5 7 ja 35, 3 left, that this is the answer. Seventh. Eighth also you can do. Ninth. Eighth is similar than seventh. Ninth part, that is 7 whole 1 upon 2 minus 5. So first of all we will convert in improper fraction. 2 7 ja 14 plus 1 15 upon 2 minus 5 upon 1. So that 2 is a LCM. So 15 multiply 1 like this minus 5 multiply 2. 15 1 ja 15 minus 5 2 ja 10 upon 2, that subtraction 5 upon 2, and in mixed fraction 2 2 ja 4 and 1 upon 2. That's 9th are done. Now the 10th part, 7 whole 8 upon 9 minus 3 whole 7 upon 18. We will convert in improper fraction. 9 7 ja 63. 63 plus 8 71 upon 9 minus 18 3 ja 54 7 61 upon 18. The LCM of these two is 18, that is greater number, and then 71 multiply 9 2s are 18, that 9 table is coming 2 times for 18. 61 multiply 18 1s are 18, that is a 1. 71 2s are, that should no, it's not possible to learn the table of 71, so 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14 minus 61 1 ja 61 upon 18, and then subtract 2 less 1 1, 14 less 6 8 upon 18, and then you will be write in mixed fraction. So in mixed fraction, how you will be write like this: 18 5 ja 90, 18 4 ja 4 8 ja 32, और 4 1 ja 4 3 7 72, and then left is 9. So that 4 will come here and 9 here, and 18 will become on same place. That 12th question. 12th question, 3 minus 2 whole 11 upon 3. So that 3 upon 1 minus 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6. 6 11 17. 17 upon 3. 17 upon 3. So that LCM is 3. So 3 multiply 3 minus 17 multiply 1. So that 9 minus 17 upon 3. So that will become, you know, minus is more than plus. So 17 less 9. 17. Oh sorry, that means 13. That is 13. So 3 upon 1 minus 13 to your 26. 26. And then 11, 37, 37 upon 13, 37 upon 13. So 13 is LCM. So 13 multiply 3 multiply 13 minus 37 multiply 1. So 13 3 ja 30, 9 minus 37 1 ja 37, that 13. So that less is 2. That is a answer. Okay.